Hey YouTube, BM here. I just had to get some footage of this crab. Look at him, he's picking all the algae off my cocoa worm. These crabs, they're awesome. They really do an awesome job with the algae. Pretty cool. I got two of them in there. And as you can see, these rocks, they were pretty covered, and of course the refugium's helping with the algae and everything, but the leftover is getting taken care of by these guys. There's my gobies. It's funny how they choose the colors. Green gobies on the green mushroom, yellow gobies on the yellowish greenish colored brain. And there's the rainfed just kind of hanging. Everything's doing good. I think I'm going to start dosing with some calcium. Haven't picked up any yet. As you guys know, the tank's still fairly new, but if you guys get any suggestions on that, let me know. I do feed him every day with some Phyto Feast, whatever you call it, but other than that, everything's doing good. Gotta love the crabs. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching.